Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. When planning for international expansion, one of the most common questions we encounter is about the budget. Specifically, what can be accomplished with free resources, and when is it necessary to invest in paid services? This is a critical strategic question, and today, the host will clarify the landscape. The good news is that a wealth of information is freely available from regulatory authorities. Bodies like the US FDA, the European Commission, and others publish extensive guidelines, databases of approved devices, and updates on regulations. This information is invaluable for initial research. You can learn about device classification systems, labeling requirements, and general submission processes. However, these free resources have limitations. They provide the what, but not the how or the why. For instance, a document might state that you need to demonstrate clinical evidence, but it won't provide a strategic analysis of how your specific device's evidence will be perceived by different health technology assessment, or HTA, bodies like Germany's IQIG compared to the UK's NICE. This is where paid resources become essential. Paid services are not just about buying information. They are about buying expertise, strategy, and execution. This includes tailored market analysis to identify the best entry points for your product, saving you from costly missteps. It involves hiring local representation, which is a mandatory requirement in many markets to act as your official contact for regulatory authorities. Furthermore, preparing a technical dossier or submission file is a complex task that requires deep expertise to compile, format, and submit correctly, minimizing the risk of rejection. Navigating reimbursement is another critical paid service. Securing a favorable reimbursement code and price is a complex negotiation process that requires local knowledge and relationships, which free resources simply cannot provide. The most effective strategy is a hybrid approach. Use free resources to educate your team and conduct preliminary research. This empowers you to ask the right questions. Then engage with paid experts to develop a robust strategy, execute submissions efficiently, and navigate the nuances of each local market. This investment mitigates risk, accelerates your timeline, and ultimately improves your return on investment. If you need help navigating global market access for your medical device, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you can find a link to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.